The camera pans across a vast blue sky filled with fluffy white clouds, finally settling on a smaller, irregularly shaped cloud. That's me, NimBUS.
Well, I guess you could say I'm not your average cloud. I mean, look at me. I'm kinda lumpy. You see, up here in the sky, being different isn't always easy, especially when you're supposed to be, well, doing important cloud stuff.
The camera tilts down to reveal a small town below. Fields brown and withered, townspeople looking worriedly at the sky.
And boy, did that town need some important cloud stuff. They hadn't seen rain in months, the crops were all shriveled up, and the people, well, they looked about as wilted as their plants.
Remember, little one, it's not the shape of a cloud that matters, but the rain it brings to those in need.
That's what the wise old cumulus told me. But, easier said than done, right? I mean, how can I bring rain when I can barely keep my shape? Oops, sorry. Just trying to, fit in. It's not like I can control my shape or anything. Or can I? And then there was Saul. Talk about turning up the heat. He wasn't making things any easier for the folks down there. Sometimes I wondered if he enjoyed watching them suffer. That's Lily. She never gave up hope, even when things looked pretty grim. Kinda made me wish I could do something, Wow, she really cares about those plants. I wish I could help her.
Attention all clouds. The annual cloud showcase begins tomorrow. Time to show off your weather-making abilities.
The cloud showcase? Oh boy, this could either go really well or, well, let's not think about that. All around me, clouds were getting ready for the big show. Cirrus was practicing his wind gusts, Stratus was perfecting her fog, and me, I was just trying not to accidentally rain on anyone's parade. Literally.
Despite his doubts, NimBUS can't take his eyes off Lily and her unwavering hope.
But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta take a chance. For Lily, for the town, maybe even for myself. All right, NimBUS, it's now or never. Time to show everyone what this little oddball cloud can do. Here goes nothing. Okay, here goes nothing. Or maybe something. Hopefully something that doesn't, flood the town or anything. I did it. I actually did it. Look at me, I'm a real cloud. Well, a real weird-shaped cloud, but hey, I'll take it.
Rain, it's finally raining.
I think I might be getting the hang of this cloud thing after all. Watch out, Weather Channel. There's a new forecaster in town.
Thank you, little cloud. You're my hero.
Oh, shucks. I'm just doing my job. Let's try. A rainbow. Hey, not bad. I mean, it's more of a rain squiggle than a rainbow, but we're getting there.
Wow, it's the most beautiful rainbow I've ever seen.
Whoops, too much spin. Sorry, folks. Phew! Note to self, less twister, more singing in the rain. Uh-oh, someone's not happy about the new weatherman in town. Is it hot in here, or is it just me? Wait, I'm a cloud. It's definitely him.
And now, for our final act, NimBUS.
Well, here goes everything. Just remember, NimBUS, if you mess up, it's only in front of every cloud in the sky. No pressure. Whoa, talk about a hothead. Saul's really turning up the heat, and not in a good way. All that hard work, gone in a puff of steam. I guess I'm just not cut out for this hero stuff after all. Look at the little oddball now. Not so special anymore, are you? Guys? Come on, we're all in this together, right? Right? Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm fading away. Is this what cloud retirement looks like? Because, I gotta say, I'm not a fan. Wait, that's not what I meant to do. Stop, how do I turn this thing off?
Take cover. That strange cloud is going to destroy the town.
I knew we couldn't trust a cloud that looked so weird.
No, I'm supposed to help, not hurt. I'm a monster. Maybe it's better if I just disappear. I can't hurt anyone if I'm not here, right?
Little Cloud, please don't go. We need you.
Lily, you can still see me?
I'll always see you. You're my hero, remember?
But I messed everything up. I'm no hero.
Yes, you are. You never gave up on us, even when it was hard. Now it's our turn not to give up on you.
You're right, Lily. I can't give up now. Not when everyone needs me the most. All right, Saul. You want to play rough? Let's see how you handle a little creative weather. Wait a second. I'm not just a cloud. I'm a super ultra mega storm cloud. And this weird shape? It's not a bug, it's a feature. Check this out. I call this one the Double Rainbow Deluxe with a side of drizzle.
Enough of this foolishness. Feel my heat.
Oh no, you don't. Time for the Cirrus Swirlius Ice Shield. Phew. Is it hot in here or is it just you, Saul? Because I'm feeling pretty cool. NimBUS, we were wrong about you. Show us how to help. Well, well, well. Looks like the forecast calls for teamwork with a high chance of awesome. It's raining, it's pouring, and Saul is definitely not scoring.
Oh, this can't be happening.
Hey, Saul buddy. Ever heard of work-life balance? Maybe it's time to take a vacation. I hear the night sky is lovely this time of year. We did it, we actually did it, and by we, I mean me, but also we because teamwork and all that jazz. That's,
Thank you, NimBUS. You saved us all.
Oh, shucks. I'm just doing my job. My very weird, very awesome job. You know, being different isn't so bad after all. In fact, it's pretty darn amazing. And that, folks, is how a little oddball cloud saved the day. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some serious floating to do. This town's not going to keep itself hydrated, you know.